getting stutters or crashes in FC26 after a driver update, rolling back to a previous NVIDIA driver might be the fix you need, and we will show you exactly how to do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are walking you through how to safely install an older NVIDIA driver for FC26 so you can get smoother gameplay without further issues. Method: roll back drivers to the previous version. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run command box. Type devmgmt.msc and press Enter to open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Select the NVIDIA graphics driver you are using. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Drivers tab. Now you should see an option to roll back drivers. Select that. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Now if the button is grayed out, then click on the Update Driver option. Select Search Automatically for Drivers option. It should find the one installed on your PC. You can also choose the Browse My Computer for Drivers option and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer option. Then the old drivers should appear here. If it's still not showing, then head to the Display Adapter section in the Device Manager. Then head over to the Properties section, then go to the Drivers tab. From here, you can note down the driver date. Now head over to Google or any web browser, or you can also visit NVIDIA's website. Then manually search for the specific driver. Find the driver that is released the date before the one that you have currently installed. Now download and install the driver. Follow as shown to finish the process. And that's how you roll back and install a previous NVIDIA driver for FC26. If this helped stabilize your game, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more performance tweaks and troubleshooting guides. Drop a comment to let others know which driver version worked best for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.